Having tags in your videos can be useful in many ways, so this video will show you how to use PS5 Sharefactory Bits tags in your PS5 videos. Although made in Bits, you can make a separate Bits video, or you can actually add the Bits video that you make into an existing project. Look out for the next video too, which will show you how to make YouTube like and subscribe animations nice and easy so you can quickly use them in future videos. So we're in Sharefactory Bits editor. Use any bits you want. I'm going to go into custom bits and just choose whichever video you want to add the tags to. And then once you've done that, you can use the left and right stick at this stage to shorten or change the starting and end point of the videos. Push cross when you confirm, and then you've got all these options, but you want to go into stickers, and then there you go, we've got tags, the second one along there. So click the cross on the tags, and these are all the different tags that you have options to use. So you've got the YouTube tags, you've got the Twitter tags, and then you've got a variety of other different tags. So we're just going to choose any one here just to show you how to use these. Just press cross on the one that you select. So we want to go for this one, so push the cross button, and then at this stage we can just use the right stick to move around where we want the tag to actually go on the screen. So you can just put it wherever you want to. I'm just going to put it here for a second, and then you just push the cross to confirm, and then you use the left and right stick here to change the starting point again of where you want the tag to go and where you want it to start and finish in effect. Once you've done that, push the cross button, and then that takes us to this screen here where you can see in the middle we have the orange bit highlighted. If you push the square button, that makes it go onto this. Push the cross button, and then you have these 5 options. So if we go across to transform, that just allows us to move the tag to wherever you want it if you will change your mind. The sticker duration, you can change that to the duration if you want to amend what you did before. And then edit text, this is where you can change what the tag actually says. So you can't see it on screen now, but this is where the PS5 Sharefactory Bits gives you the option of typing in a different tag. So I'm just going to type in NoMoreNoobie back into here. Already had it in from previous usage of it, so it kind of does save it for you each time. And then you got the delete sticker, and you've got a line. Now a line you probably won't necessarily use too much, but you can align left, align right, and align center. To be honest, I think I prefer just to use the transform. So if I wanted to, I'd just go back to transform, move it around to wherever I want, and then just press cross to confirm from there. Okay, and obviously you've got the delete sticker if you wanted to use that there. Push the circle and the square whenever you're finished there, and then this is what it will look like on what we've done so far. So you see it pops up in the bottom left hand corner where we've put it there. Okay, so that's nice and easy. So that's added the tag to the Sharefactory Bits video. So now you see on top corner it says press the triangle to create bit, and then it says share or share later. We're going to share later, and then we're done in the Bits video. Now we want to show you how to add it to an existing project. So you come out of this, and then you go up to the top where it's the video editor, and you could go to a new project and then push the cross and then go to whichever pack you want to use, and then just choose your video from there, and that will create a new project for you to then add to if you wanted to. Or if you want to go back and do it a different way, you can add it to existing project by going to my projects, choose whichever project you've got going at the moment, and then just push the cross button and then add clip, and then you just find the custom tag bits video that you've just made there, and then push the square button. That will add it, and then you can see when it gets to the tree your tag will show from there. So that will remain exactly the same until you amend the rest of your project, but it's not going to change anything if you wanted to trim the clip at all. So if, like, for example, I'm going to trim this clip now, you'll see that by trimming it, it doesn't change the tag at all. It will still stay in the right place for the video where you put it when you edited. And that is pretty much it. You'll just save the video from there as you normally would any other video. On screen are the next videos to potentially watch. Do check out the YouTube subscribe animation video that's going to be up next, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching, and bye.